Today I'm going to be doing a slime pet peeve video. And comment down below or just leave a like if you guys want me to start a slime haul, like I'm going to do a slime haul too. But just let me know if you guys want me to start like a slime tutorial, or if you want me to like make a whole season, like 5 episodes or 10 episodes of slime. Let me go. So the first pet peeve, well, actually, I'm getting to that. Let's get into the video. So the first pet peeve I have is when people keep on adding ingredients. So they be like this. And if the camera in my phone, I'm so sorry. Okay, guys. So after this, we're just going to add a little more lotion. And it should make your slime, like, really sticky or, like, soft. It depends on what kind of slime you have. If you have a really, like, soft slime, it will make it hard. Like, yeah. Just add them ingredients and just make sure you mix it very well into the slime. So, yeah. You can have some good smelling slime, and if you're like a little kid, I wouldn't recommend making slime if you're under the age of 5, because you can get it really like stuck somewhere. So yeah, that's just a lot of lotion, so I gotta add a little more and I'll be right back. Yay. Next pet peeve. So the second pet peeve I hate is when people be louder than the poking. Like, you just be quiet. I hate how people are louder than it. So let's get into it. So guys, this slime is like has a really good poking texture, and like it's just so beautiful, and I love the way it pops, like you can hear the poking. Listen. Sounds so good, guys. Like, it's just amazing slime. Next pet peeve. Another pet peeve is how people talk about their slime and say, I'm going to show you it, but never do. Let's go. So, guys, this is my slime, and it's like a green color, and it is so nice. Like, I'm going to take it out and show you guys. Just wait. And then, like it's just so beautiful, and it has a great texture. I'm going to take it out. Just hold on. And it's just love it. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Comment down below what your pet peeves are, and maybe I'll make a part 2 to this video. I don't know. But if you guys would like to see a second one, just comment down below if you would like to. Make sure you give this video a like. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you click that red button to subscribe. Red, orange, whatever the color is. Subscribe. Give me all thumbs up, no thumbs down. Comment nice comments in your pet peeve. The question of the day is, what's your slime pet peeve? Thank you guys for watching. Bye. Oh, and make sure to tune into all my other videos. There'll be a few YouTube more videos coming up. So make sure you guys watch. Bye. Peace.